in Bihar as far as the march of coronavirus in the state is concerned. This is the total figure in Bihar. In fact, at this moment, overall numbers, if you look at Bihar, is about confirmed cases 26,379 cases. The recovery rate, according to the government in the state, is 62.92%. Fatality rate is less than 1%, is 0.68%, and the growth rate of the infection is 9%. This data is between July 13th to July 20th. Now, there is a very important report which has come from the medical journal Lancet, and this report puts eight districts of Bihar in India among the 20 districts that they have mapped as one of the most vulnerable districts in the country. So I just want you to first take a look at this graphic that we are putting out for you, which has 8 districts of Bihar, which are among the vulnerable districts in the entire country. These districts are Patna, Vaishali, Bhagalpur, Muzaffarpur, Begusarai, Jamui, Gopalganj, and Purab Champaran. The West Champaran is among the districts which are, according to this Lancet report, going to be one of the worst impacted. This is the place where the government, in fact, thinks, the Lancet report at least says that it is going to be an explosion as far as these districts are concerned. Very quickly, there is a lot of, in fact, talk about the testing, a very low amount of testing which is being done in Bihar. So let's also understand these numbers as far as the testing is concerned. The test per million in Bihar at this point of time stands at 3,167. The positivity rate in the state of Bihar is about 7%. Now compare this to other states. Bihar is testing 3,167 cases per million. Maharashtra, 12,838 cases per million. Tamil Nadu, 25,530 cases per million. Delhi, 41,334 cases per million. Karnataka, 15,515 cases per million. And Andhra Pradesh, 25,192 cases per million is what is being tested in the state of Bihar.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.